Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to join communities on Trading 212. Trading 212 community are network of users, investors, traders who engage with each other through various channels. To join communities on Trading 212, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Now you need to make sure that you are logged into your Trading 212 account. After this, here you'll be taken to your home page. Now here you can see two people icon on down. Tap on the given icon. Then here you can see socials. Tap on communities option on the top. Now on the top you can see the communities I have already joined. So scroll down. Then you will be able to see various of communities that you can join with the join option on the side. So select one of the community that you want to join. Then tap on join option. Here I have joined Airboss, so it will directly take you to new part of your community. Now here you can interact with your community and look for all the posts within your community. Now you can go back and under communities you can see the community that you have joined on the top. This is how we can join communities on Trading 212. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.